When using the blend tool to blend between two shapes, the blend tool by default will create a straight line between the two objects. This straight line can be replaced with a custom path by selecting the blend, holding down the Shift key, and selecting the custom path. You can then use the Object Blend Replace Spline command. This will replace the straight line with the custom path that you have created. If you want to edit the custom path, you can use the Direct Selection tool to select specific points on the path and move them as you will. By editing the path points, you can control how the blend moves from one object to another. With the blend selected, you can also revisit the blend options using this menu. You can then come in and add more steps, change the orientation, or change the blend style. The preview button will let you see the changes as you make them in the options box.